MCQs number 41. Transport of oxygen is option 1 is non-polar, B is semplast, C is apoplast, D is polar. The correct option is option D, polar. MCQs number 42. Formation of the nodule is induced by IAA, NAA, IBA. Option D is both A and C. Correct option is option A, IAA. MCQs number 43. This is the precursor of idol 3 acetic acid. Methionine, tryptophan, glycine, isopentyl pyrophosphate. The correct option is option B, tryptophan. MCQs number 44. This bioassay is used to detect the presence of organism. Option A is only tobacco pith culture, B tobacco pith culture and avena curvature test, C tobacco pith culture and split pea stem curvature test, D split pea stem curvature test and avena curvature test. Correct option is option D, split pea stem curvature stem and avena curvature test. MCQs number 45. Which of these is not function of oxygen? Option A, inducing culture formation, B inducing dormancy, C enhancing cell division, D maintaining apical dominance. The correct option is option B, inducing dormancy. MCQs number 46. Which of the following is not the feature of plant cells? A, presence of centrioles, B, the cell wall outside the cell membrane, C, cell communication through plasmodesmata, D, consist of plastid. The option A is correct. Presence of centriole is not feature of plant cell. MCQs number 47. Name the term given to ability to single cells to divide and produce all differentiated cell in organisms. Unipotent, pluripotent, multipotent, totipotency. The correct option is option D, totipotency. MCQs number 48. Out of following, which one is not the basic component of culture media used for plant cultivation? Complex mixture of salt, amino acid, serum albumin, sugar or sucrose. Correct option is option C, serum albumin. 49. A plant cell is a prokaryotic cell. True or false? This statement is false. MCQs number 50. Mark the incorrect statement about agar, a gelling agent in plant tissue culture medium. Not digested by plant enzymes. It does not use in macropropagation work. It does not react with media constituent. Remain stable at incubation temperature. Statement B is correct for this MCQs. It is not used in macropropagation work is not a correct statement. It is incorrect statement for plant tissue culture medium. MCQs 51. Which of the following is not a plant growth regulator? Auxin, cytokinin, abscisic acid or polyphenols. The correct option is option D is not plant growth regulator. MCQs 52. Which of the following is main effect of cytokinins in tissue culture system? A, adventitious shoot formation, B. Induction of somatic embryos. C. Adventitious root formation. D. Shoot elongation. The correct option is option A. Adventitious shoot formation is main effect of cytokinin in tissue culture medium. MCQs 53. Which of the following is not the main effect of polyamines in tissue culture medium? A. Promotion of tuber and bulb formation. B. Adventitious root formation. Promotion of shoot formation. Somatic embryogenesis. The correct statement is promotion of tuber and bulb formation is not a main effect of polyamines. MCQs 54. Which of the following plant hormone controls the fruit ripening? Ethylene, auxin, gibberellin, abscisic acid. The correct option is option A. Ethylene is used to control fruit ripening. MCQs number 55. What is plant tissue culture? A. The technique of in vitro maintaining and growing cells. B. The technique of in vivo growing cells. C. Technique of growing cells in garden. D. The technique of cutting plant. The correct option is option A. Technique of in vitro maintaining and growing cells. MCQs number 56. Which of the following scientists was not responsible for developing somatic hybrids? Stewards, Halperin, Weatherill, Scotch. Correct option is option D. Scotch is not responsible for developing somatic hybrids. MCQs number 57. What is an explant? A. A part of plant growth under soil. B. Any part of plant taken out and grown in test tube. C. A specific part of plant grown in test tube. D. Leaves grew under test tube. The correct statement for an explant is any part of plant taken out and grown in test tube is correct option. MCQs number 58. Essential requirement of an artificial medium is in which explant is being regenerated is the medium should have a sulfur source, the medium should have very low carbon concentration, the medium must provide a carbon source, a medium must provide a nitrogen donor. The correct option is option C. The medium must provide a carbon source. 59. What are somoclones? A. Plant chemically identical to original plant. B. Plant morphologically identical to original plant. C. Plant anatomically identical to the original plant. Plant genetically identical to the original plant. The correct option is option D. Plant genetically identical to the original plant. MCQs 60. Which of the following plant part is free from attack of virus? Stem, root, meristem, leaves. Meristem is correct answer, which is free from attack of viruses. MCQ 61. Which of the following plants meristem has not been successfully cultured? Banana, apple, sugarcane, potato. Apple is correct option.